Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the SugarPill Little Twin Stars collection. It just came out February 1st. I love it. I picked it up. So this is going to be half unboxing and then half a review and swatches. So I will timestamp everything down below so you can skip ahead to whatever you're interested in. And I'm currently wearing the eyeshadows on my list today. So overall, I definitely enjoy the eyeshadows. The packaging is adorable. That just goes without saying. You get 6 really pretty eyeshadows. So the 2 colors that I didn't use today are the 2 blue ones, just because I know myself well enough to know that I wasn't going to make that look work in the time that is needed to get this video up. So the Cloud Maker is a foiled silvery blue, super pretty, and I like the formula. Star Ribbon is like a matte aqua. Twinkle Twinkle, which is the one that I had a little bit of trouble with, is a foiled gold. It's fine, it's just I think it works better wet. I think if you used it with a wet medium, it would apply a lot better. Dream Dust is a frosted peachy nude with pink. I definitely enjoyed Dream Dust. Dream Dust is the shade that I put all over my lid. Sky Candy is a frosted baby pink, and because it has that slight shimmer, it applies better, it blends better than I feel like if it had been a matte. And then Wish, which is what I put in my crease, is a sparkly copper color. So overall, I definitely enjoy these shades. I am gonna try the blue ones later on. It's just blue eyeshadow on me never really works quite well. So here are the 2 lip colors. So we have Lala and Kiki, which are the names of both characters. So these are super pigmented. I do find them a little bit staining. I have to remove them with coconut oil so that I don't leave a stain here. This is from a while ago. This is my first time trying any liquid lipsticks from SugarPill. I find the formula to be very thin. It applies easily and it's super pigmented, but I feel like it's a little bit patchy, in particular with Lala. So Lala is a bubblegum pink with very fine like micro golden glitters in it. And then Kiki is an aqua color with also those golden sparkles. It's so hard to notice or pick up on camera, but you can see it a little bit in person, kind of like when the light hits it. First of all, neither one of these colors look good on me, and I knew that was going to happen, but it's a collector's item, so I purchased it anyway. I'm really not going to go outside in these aqua lips anyway. But this bubblegum pink looks a little bit patchy on my lips. No matter how much I exfoliate or how much I moisturize my lips prior to it, it just looks a little bit patchy. So overall, I definitely enjoy the collection. I think eyeshadows are SugarPill's best items, whether they are pressed eyeshadows or the loose ones. I have a lot of their like loose pigments. They're amazing. Definitely recommend picking them up. And as of the day this video goes live, it's still available. So if you're interested, it makes a really cute gift for anyone who either grew up with these 2 characters and are like the Sanrio family, or if you just know someone who loves makeup, you know? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. So there's a little card about their liquid lipsticks, which I've never tried any of their lip products actually. So these do come with 2. So you get the eyeshadow palette, the liquid lipsticks, as well as a makeup bag. Okay, so here's the box. It's super pretty. And then the back of it also has pictures and information about all of them. So I'm trying to see if I can take this off without completely ripping it. It's actually quite beautiful, so that is okay. And then it just lifts straight up. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I don't know what we should look at. Should we look at the makeup bag first? So here's the makeup bag. Super cute. It says SugarPill Little Twin Stars. I love it. It says remove tray and use this super cute box to store your favorite treasures. So that's pretty cute. And then we have the makeup palette. I guess I should go to this one first. It has a protective clear slip. And here's the pack. So it's 2.5 grams for the eyeshadows. And here they are. So you have the sparkly kind of grayish blue. Super pretty. That's called Cloud Maker. We have Star Ribbon, which is, I don't know, like, what would you describe that color? I think I'm out of practice with describing names. Sky Candy is a really pretty shimmery pink. So here they are swatched. Okay, and then Wish, which is a bronzy orangey color, which is kind of like a bronze copper color. These are super beautiful, and the packaging honestly is the best part. It's adorable. So these are both of the liquid lipsticks. Super cute packaging. So we have it in Kiki and Lala, which are the names of the 2 characters. Obviously this blue one isn't as wearable. Super pretty. These are nice. They don't look drying, but the true test will be on my lips.